Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a program for your date. So I typed in USummit here, and then you can put the date. So we can say, let's say April 18th, 2020, and then you can put your location down here. And then in here is where you'll want to put the program. So you'll put, I find it's easier just to delete the boxes that are already created in here. Oh, didn't mean to do that. It just makes it a lot easier to insert your own box. So what we want to do is we'll go to text, and then we'll just say add a heading, and then we'll say program, and then let's say 9 a.m. check-in, and at noon is going to be lunch. So you'll want to put your entire program you have in this. Obviously it'll be longer than what you have here. You can also change the font on this side, and then you can also change the sizing and the color as well. Like I mentioned, you can adapt this to whatever fits your program, and so if these aren't the colors I want to use, and say I want to use this green and then maybe a blue on the outside, and those are the colors I want to use, then I can totally do that. Or if I want to get rid of that shape, I can do that as well. So you can really have fun and do whatever you want with it. Now we're going to want to print flyers, but we want to download, and it's suggesting PDF, so we're going to download, and we'll go ahead and open it up. Now you have it on 2 pages. So what I've done in the past with creating programs like this is I save it. And then we'll just save it to the desktop. And then what I like to do is I like to put it in PowerPoint to make sure it's in the right format, so when we take them out we can fold them. Okay, and then we're going to go to create. Make sure we can see this. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of all the boxes, and what I'm going to do is go back to this. We're going to insert. You know what? I messed up. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to download it as a JPEG. Download as a JPEG instead of a PDF. And then we'll open that up. And you have it here with JPEG 1, JPEG 2. Open this back up, pictures, from file. And it's going to be in downloads. So you'll open up your first JPEG. And then we'll make it a little smaller. So you're going to have to think of, when you fold a piece of paper in half, what is going to be the front. So since this is the front's going to go on the right side, and this is going to be the back. So something I like to do is on the back of it, you'll just want to create like some thank yous to your sponsors, whoever contributed to the conference, anything like that. And then you're going to want to add a new slide. And then you're going to have to imagine what the inside of the cover is going to be. So when you fold the paper, what the inside will be. So if this is the front, you'll want it on that side. So we're going to insert picture, same thing we did last time, except JPEG 2. And it's going to go right there. So when you print it, you're going to want to print front and back, and you are going to want this to be the front. So this is the front of your program. And then the left side is going to be the back of your program. This will be the inside left. And this will be the inside right of your program. So when you want to print, you're going to want to make sure you print one test copy, just make sure you get the printing down, and then you can print as many as you're going to need for your event. So this should give you a general idea on how to create a program. Canva's really great to use. There's tons of templates for you to choose from, and it's a really great resource. So I hope you learned something, and I hope you're able to use Canva for creating your program.